we have integral of irrational function. So first I will change square root to power form. So this is equal integral of, we have t minus 2 over t minus 1 to power 1/2 times dt over t minus 2 to second power. Now we will substitute t minus 2 over t minus 1, that this is equal u square, because we have exponent 1/2. So now we need to find t from this equation. So I will multiply both sides by t minus 1. So this denominator will reduce and we will have t minus 2 is equal u square times t minus 1. Now we'll do multiplication on the right side. So we have t minus 2 is equal t u square minus u square. Now I will move expression with t's to the left side. So we will have t minus t u square is equal, I will move negative 2 to the right, so it will be 2 minus u square. T we can factorize, so we have 1 minus u square is equal to minus u square. Now we will divide both sides by 1 minus u square. We can reduce now, and we have that t is equal to minus u square over 1 minus u square. Now we have to find derivative of both sides of our equation with respect to t. So we will have 1 is equal, and derivative, we have quotient here, so in denominator we will have 1 minus u square to second power, and in numerator first we have to find derivative of numerator, so it will be negative 2u times denominator is 1 minus u square minus, now we have to copy numerator, so it's 2 minus u square times derivative of denominator is negative 2u du to dt. So we have that 1 is equal, denominator we have to copy, and we have to do multiplication, so it will be negative 2u plus 2u cube minus and minus we can reduce to positive, so will be 4u minus 2u cube du to dt, negative 2u cube and positive we can reduce, so we have, of course we have 2 times 2, so it's positive here. So now I will multiply both sides by dt, so we have dt is equal 2u over 1 minus u square to second power du. We have dt, we have this whole expression equal u squares. So now we will find t minus 2 to second power. Let me copy this. We have t minus 2 to second power. We have that t is equal 2 minus u square over 1 minus u square, and we have minus 2, everything to second power. To subtract these two expressions we need to have common denominator, so this is equal 1 minus u square we will have in denominator and will be 2 minus u square minus will be 2 times 1 minus u square. Everything to second power. So this is equal, in parentheses we will have 2 minus u square minus 2 plus 2 u square over 1 minus u square. 2 and negative 2 we can reduce to second power we have. So this is equal u square over 1 minus u square to second power. So now we can come back to our integral, because we have t minus 2 to second power in the numerator. It means when we will do substitution, we have to flip this fraction. Let me put this here. So we have that our integral is equal t minus 2 over t minus 1 is u square, and we have to set 1 power 1/2 dt is equal to this expression. So we have 2u, we can write du, 1 minus u square to second power, and like I said, we have to flip this fraction, so we will have 1 minus u to second power over u square, everything to second power. So this is equal 2 and 2 we can reduce, and we have integral of 2 we can put before integral symbol. U times u will be u square over, we have 1 minus u square to second power, and we can rewrite this whole expression that this is 1 minus u square to second power over u square to second power. So we can reduce this whole expression and square with numerator u square. So we have that I forgot we have to put, of course, du at the end. So this is equal, we have 2 integral of, we have in denominator u square only, so 1 over u square, we can rewrite that this is u to power negative 2 with respect to u. So this is equal to u to power negative 1 over negative 1 plus constant c. As I'll just use integral of power function formula. So this is equal, positive times negative is negative 2, and we have u to negative 1 power plus constant c. U is equal square root of t minus 2 over t minus 1. Let me write this here, that u is equal square root of t minus 2 over t minus 1. So we have that this is equal negative 2, and because we have the two negative 1 powers, so it means we have to flip this expression which we have here. We have t minus 2 over t minus 1. So let me write this first. We have square root of t minus 2 over t minus 1, everything to power negative 1. So this is equal, plus constant c, of course, negative 2, and we will have to flip expression which is under square root. So will be square root of t minus 1 over t minus 2. plus constant c. This is my solution.